Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your Independent Stampin Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the paper pumpkin. This is the Home for the Holidays October 2023 paper pumpkin kit by Stampin' Up. And we are going to get into this box. I know I'm a little late, but I just got my box. Okay, but before we get all the way into this, let's go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our paper pumpkin kit for November, Warm Wishes, that coordinates with this month's paper pumpkin kit. This has it's going to make 8 boxes. There's going to be 2 different designs. It has a mossy metal stamping spot and some clear food safe bags. There's also an add-on available of 20 cards with coordinating envelopes for $14. And the item number to order that is 163985. And you do have to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber in order to get the add-ons. Okay. Next, we have our starter kit promotion. This is for celebrate 35 years of Stampin' Up being in business. You either get 35% off or 35% more. So you can get more product in your starter kit for the same price that is always $99 plus tax-free shipping, or you can pay less, $64.35, and get the normal amount of $125 worth of products in your starter kit. Along with that, you're going to get a free registration to the on-stage event in November. That is usually a $77 cost, but for you, it will be free. So if you're interested in joining Stampin' Up and becoming a member of Honeybee Stampin' Hive, just let me know. You can email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com, or you can go to my website and click to join my team. If you're going to spend more than $65, that is a better choice for you, okay? And this is our host code for October. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And we don't want you to miss out on any of your free perks. Okay, so now let's get into this paper pumpkin kit. So we have here our stamp that says Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, and celebrating the wonder and joy of this festive season. Then there's some trees, snowflakes, a little house, and some dottage. There's probably supposed to be snow. I love the little red wrapping paper. I like when they, something's falling out. I love when they coordinate the wrapping paper for the occasion. So this tissue paper is really pretty. Let's move that to the side. Oh, okay, here's our stamping spot, which is real red. And then our bottle of glitter glue. Is it glue? Well, glitter. I don't know if it's glue. So let's see. Here's our kit. Looks like we're going to be making some cute cards. Okay, let me stop looking at it and get into it. Let's get into it. Okay, so we have here some Stampin' Dimensionals, my favorite. Some elements here, some cute houses. So I'm assuming we're going to need one of each of those. These are all the same. Oh, no, they're not. Okay, because this one goes on the opposite side. Are these all the same? Yes. Okay. So we have those. Look at these envelopes, you guys. Okay, the insides are plain, but the flaps are very pretty. That is so pretty. So we have our coordinating envelopes here. And here are the card bases. Oh, we have some elements. So here's one of the card bases. Let's see. Is there 3 different ones? Here's another one. Nope, it looks like it's just 2 designs. Okay. So those are our card bases. Then we have some trees here, some banners, and some Oh, some glitter paper. Okay. And here's our glue dots, cardboard, and our instruction sheet. Okay, this is going to be cute. So here's the instruction sheets, and there is a ruler for measuring things on the side here. Okay, now let's see. What are our coordinating colors? For this kit, the coordinating colors are Balmy Blue, Cherry Cobbler, Crumb Cake, Crushed Curry, Daffodil Delight, Lemon Lolly, Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy, Old Olive, and Pecan Pie. Now, I didn't see Real Red, but our Stampin' Spot is Real Red. So it says I guess the red in the kit is actually Cherry Cobbler. Look at these alternates that they made. Those are cute. Look at that little Santa sleigh. Okay, let's get into this, making this. So you guys know I'm going to use my regular size Stampin' Spot. I mean, instead of the Stampin' Spot, I'm going to use the classic stamping pad. So we need some blocks here. So let's see. Let's open up our instructions. It'll tell us what all we need. So I know we're going to need Happy Holidays. We need the Happy Holidays. The Merry Christmas. Yes, Merry Christmas. And I think that's it. Just Happy Holidays and Merry Christmas. Okay. So I'll get 2 blocks and get those mounted on there. Let's go ahead and rub over our images so we can get them primed to get stamping good. So we're going to need 2 bushes. That's the 2 trees. A tree with a star. Then a single bush. That's for card number 1. Then we're going to need one of the glimmers. And then we're going to need a glimmer for the other one too. So I'm going to go ahead and get it out. So we have the glimmer. Then we're going to need a banner. And another banner. Okay. Then we have our card bases here. Where's my bone folder here? Let's crease down our card bases. Okay. So these items, come out. These items go here. This is going to go here. Then we're going to have this full long piece that's going to go with this card. And I'm assuming these 2. Oh, these are going to layer? Probably. Probably. Okay. So I'm going to say that's safe to say that's that. So let's go ahead and get our banners and stamp our sentiments on there. Open up our ink. We're going to stamp Happy Holidays. And that's going to go with the first card. That stamp's beautiful. I like the font. I don't know why my kit came so late this month, but it's fine. Sometimes it comes extra early. So I guess they have to rotate which region they ship out early and late. Okay, so we have our sentiments done, and they're so pretty. Okay, so now let's go get these cards together. So we're going to start with this one. So this is card number 1, and this is how we put it together. So it's telling us on the back of here, we need Stampin' Dimensionals. On the back of our trees, we need Stampin' Dimensionals. On the back of this, we're going to need glue dots. And on the back of here, Stampin' Dimensionals. Okay, so we're just going to put glue dots on this, just like that. Then on these, we're going to put dimensionals. So we're going to put one dimensional right in the middle of this small tree. We're going to put two dimensionals on that one and two on this one. And then on the back of our little house scene here, we're going to put quite a few. So let's get them going. I'm going to let me move my hand so you can see what I'm doing. Why does it look like, oh gosh. Okay, I'm going to do it how they say. So we got all of our dimensionals on. Let's go ahead and remove the backings from these. Okay, so we're going to take our glitter banner here, and we're going to put this at the top of this right here. Like that. Oh, we should put this on first. So let's see. Probably going to be even with the bottom of the card. So let's try to line that up. Just like that. And then we're going to take our trees, which are sticking together. Okay, so we're going to take the double tree. Not the hotel, but the image. We're going to put these like this. Okay. And then we're going to take our sentiment here, and we're going to lay this right across a little glimmer layer. And then it says to put some glitter, oh, around the snow on the tops of the houses. That's cute. Okay. So this is going to need to dry. So we're just going to line the house, the snow, or on the roofs of the houses. This is cute. It looks like it would be easier to do before you put everything together. But if you do it first, then you can't do anything else because you got to let it dry. So that's why you have to do it afterwards. This is cute. I'm just looking to see where I lifted up. So I need to go back and put some. There you have it, though. That's the first card done. Isn't that cute? Oh, that glitter glue. That is so pretty. Okay, let's do the second card. Let's put that up to the side there. So here's our second one. Card number 2. So we are going to put glue dots on the back of this. We know it's probably the same as the other one. And we're going to put some dimensionals in the back of our sentiment. And dimensionals on the back of both of these. Okay, and then on this one, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so next we're going to put our houses on. So this one, where's my voice going? We're going to put this one on first. So let's remove the dimensionals. Okay, So we're going to put this, let's see, about right here. Or is it going to be even at the bottom? Okay, then we're going to take this one and line it up at the bottom as well. Put it, oh, look at that. That's going to be very dimensional. And then we're going to put this about right here and put our sentiment over that and get our glitter glue and do the same thing about the houses, the roof of the house gets the glitter glue on each little house. All the snow. That was a tree. But our trees can have snow on them too, right? There we go. That is super cute. So that's it. That's the kit. Isn't that pretty? So this is the Home for the Holidays October 2023 paper pumpkin kit, all done. They are so cute. I didn't know what to expect. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.